And with the hormones, I will say using Abhyanga specifically is so therapeutic because you can absorb up to 80% of what you put on your skin. And the vast majority of products for self-care, we're talking shampoo, lotion, soap, everything, virtually all of them are hormone disruptors. So that's, and the skin, I love how science, they try to compartmentalize everything. I'm like, no, skin is part of the immune system, it's part of the endocrine system. It's part of every system. It's part of the elimination system. It's part of everything. So it really is multifaceted. And just like anything in the body, you give it this much, and what you receive in return is just exponential.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So Abhyanga classically is a whole body oil massage. Traditionally, you would be receiving this tandem. So there would be two therapists adorning your body with oil and doing a nice rhythmic massage. And what they're doing in the massages is moving all the different directions of the vayus or the vata doshas or the subdoshas of vata, meaning the air and space elements. So if you can imagine energetically, you're walking around in the world and you're perhaps getting pushed and pulled in all directions, open to information from all directions. And for some people that don't have a sense of stability, more the kapha types and a little bit of the pitta types, they can find themselves quickly overwhelmed. And the pathological pattern that we begin to see is anxiety, dryness in the system, constipation, your hands and feet are cold, poor circulation. Let me know if this sounds familiar. You or someone you loved. It's a very it's a common pattern. So that